Hey, this is Capital Vacuums. I'm John, and this is an Electrolux Classic. One of the quality used vacuums you can find at Capital Vacuums. Now with two locations, one in Albany and starting July 1st in Glens Falls, New York. So let's see how the Lux Classic works. So again, it's Electrolux Classic. Included in the machine with the machine is your power nozzle, your electric hose, your tank with an exhaust filter. Keep the air clean, and you're going to get one bag in the machine, 4 extra bags to get started, a couple of extension wands for the above floor cleaning, cobwebs off the ceiling, that kind of thing, bare floor tool if you want to do the hardwood or the tile, and you're going to get your crevice tool for hard, narrow spaces, hard to get areas, and the Electrolux reversible combination dust brush, soft horsehair so it won't scratch anything, and then reverse it this way. This side's your dust brush for your coffee tables, end tables, TV screen, that kind of thing. Turn it around this way, and you've got arms and legs of the furniture. Again, this is Capital Vacuums. I'm John, and this is an Electrolux Classic.